EasyPianoOnline. Hello everyone, today we will learn Pomp and Circumstance by Elgar. In this first video tutorial, we will learn the first part. Please check the website for part 2. We will begin learning the first part with the right hand. Fourth finger begins on G. Third is on F sharp. Fourth is on G. Fifth is on A. Second finger plays E. First finger plays D. Third finger crosses over the first to C. Second is on B. C. Then D. First finger plays A. Second finger plays B. Third is on C sharp. First finger goes under the third to D. Second is on E. Fifth finger plays A. And first finger plays D. Fourth finger plays G. Repeat the G. Third is on F sharp. Second is on E, and first is on D. We will now look at the left hand. Left hand begins with first finger on B. Fourth finger plays D. First finger moves up to C. Fifth finger plays D. First finger moves down to B. Fourth is on D. Repeat the D. Second finger plays E. First is on G. Third is on D. First is on G. Fourth plays C sharp. First is on G. Third is on D. Second is on F sharp. Second finger moves up to G. Now together, G and A, fingers 2 and 1. Third finger plays F sharp. Second is on A. First is on B. Third is on F sharp. Fourth is on E. First finger plays B. Second finger plays A. Fifth finger plays C sharp. Fifth finger moves up to D. Third is on F sharp, first is on C, and second is on A. We will now try slowly, hands together. Left hand begins with first finger on B, right hand begins with fourth finger on G, together. Left hand plays D with fourth, left hand first on C, right hand third on F sharp. G, together D and A, left hand first on B, right hand second on E, left hand fourth on D, right hand first on D, left hand repeat the D, left hand second on E, right hand, third finger crosses over the first to C, left hand first on G, left hand third on D, right hand second on B, C, together, G and D, left hand fourth on C sharp, right hand first on A, left hand first on G, third on D, second on F sharp, right hand second on B, left hand second on G, right hand third on C sharp, first on D, left hand plays together G and A, right hand second is on E, Together left hand third on F sharp, right hand fifth on A. Left hand second on A. Together left hand first on B, right hand first on D. Left hand F sharp. Left hand fourth on E, right hand fourth on G. Left hand first on B. Left hand second on A, right hand fourth on G. F sharp. Left hand fifth on C sharp. Right hand second on E. And together D and D. Third is on F sharp. First is on C. And second is on A. We will stop here in part 1. Please subscribe and visit the website for part 2.